How to sign out of YouTube account from another device. So if you want to sign out of your YouTube account from another device, then what you need to do is simply log into your Google, and once you've logged in, you need to open up your YouTube. Go for the youtube.com and log into your YouTube. Once you've logged into your YouTube, now you can go for the upper right, which has that profile icon. And once you go for the profile, now you can go for Google account. Under your Google account, it will take you to the settings. So under your settings, you will have security option. Click on security, and if you scroll down, here you will have your devices option. So go for manage all devices, which is on the bottom. And here you will have 3 sessions on your Windows computer and 7 sessions on your Android. So if you want to sign out of your YouTube account from any other device, then you can simply select the device. So here you can see that I have logged out or signed out these 2 devices. So you can do that same with your mobile device or your laptop or PC. So for example, if I choose this device, now once you choose the device, you will have the sign out option on the left. You need to simply click on sign out. Once you click on sign out, you will be logged out of your account from other device. So that's how you can sign out of your YouTube account from other devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.